Hi guys, welcome to Mick Mack Kitchen again with me, Christina Hann. Today we're going to make chocolate covered strawberries. What I have here, 85% really dark chocolate. This is sunflower oil. I'm gonna put a little bit, just a spoon. There's no taste, but it's going to give you really nice shiny color on your chocolate later. And for the coating here, I have sesame, I have shredded coconut, and sea salt flakes. Okay, I have some skewers here. These are the strawberries that I've cleaned and dried up. So I'm gonna put on skewers. I have here melted chocolate. When you melt the chocolate, you have to be careful that the water here doesn't get into the bowl here. So you just get the steam. Okay, let's get started. Just gonna dip here. There you go. Let's wait a little bit. So I've dip all my strawberries into the chocolate now, and I waited for about 5 to 7 minutes, and I'm going to dip that into the flavors that I like. I'll start with the sesame. My chocolate is a little bit bitter because it's very dark chocolate. You can use semi-dark chocolate or white chocolate, any kind of chocolate you want. I'm gonna have 3. There you go. And I'm gonna put some coconut flakes, shredded coconut here. After you're done, then you put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes and you can have it. With the salt flakes, you don't have to put that much because it's salty. You just put sprinkles a little bit. So we're gonna put these in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and after that you can call your date. So they were in the fridge for 30 minutes. Well, I'm just going to serve them like this, and I want to try one of them. I'll try the one with the shredded coconut. It's pretty good. I could eat this every day. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and see you next episode. Bye!